How to log in to BD student account. So if you want to log into BD student account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Go for the search bar and search for BD student login. Once you have searched, here you will have BD and you will have login under that. So you can simply click on login BD, and here it will take you to the sign in or login page. So if you want to log into your account, then you can simply enter your email and your password. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can go for sign up now so that you can register an account under BD. Or if you want to log in as a BD employee, then you can go for BD employee login, which is on the bottom of your screen, so that it will take you to the employee login. So you can simply enter your email on the first blank, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password, which is here, so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then enter it and then click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, it will sign into your account under BD. So that's it. That's how you log into your BD student account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.